how to remove friends on Snapchat. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove friends on Snapchat step by step. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your smartphone. Once you open the app, you'll land on the camera screen, which is the default home screen of Snapchat. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the Friends section and tap My Friends. Here you'll see a list of all your added friends. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the friend you want to remove. Tap and hold on their name or Bitmoji. A menu will pop up with different options. Simply tap Manage Friendship. Then tap Remove Friend. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Remove to confirm. Done! You've successfully removed them from your friend list. If you don't just want to remove someone but also prevent them from contacting you, you can block them instead. And that's it. Now you know how to remove friends on Snapchat in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Snapchat guides. Drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.